In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Substack in WordPress. If you publish on Substack and also run a WordPress site, embedding a Substack post or note is a great way to share your work without rewriting it. The process is simple. You'll grab an embed code from Substack and place it into WordPress using a custom HTML block. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and why each step matters. Start by opening any published Substack post or note that you want to feature. On the post page, look for the Share button. It typically appears near the title area or alongside other share options on the page. Click Share, then choose Embed. This tells Substack to generate a small piece of code often called an embed snippet that bundles the title, publication details, and a call to action into a clean interactive card. This code is what makes the magic happen on your WordPress site. Copy the entire snippet so you have it ready for the next step. Now switch over to your WordPress editor where you want the Substack content to appear. In the block editor, use a custom HTML block. This specific block is built to accept and render raw code safely, which is why it's the right choice here. Click to add that block. Then paste the Substack embed snippet directly into it. The block is designed to interpret the code and display the Substack card on your page within your theme's layout. Many themes will automatically make this embed responsive, so it adjusts nicely on desktop and mobile. If you notice the code showing up as plain text instead of a card, that usually means it landed in a regular paragraph block by mistake. Make sure it's a custom HTML block, so WordPress treats the snippet correctly. Most editors also offer a quick preview inside the block, which can help you confirm that everything looks the way you expect before you move on. That's really all there is to it. You've used Substack's built-in share and embed option to generate the correct snippet. And you've pasted it into WordPress using the custom HTML block so it renders properly. This approach keeps the design consistent, preserves attribution, and links readers straight back to your original Substack post or note, which is great for visibility and engagement. Thanks for watching.